your own sense of the overall markets and where are you turning bullish on right now?
Good morning, Sakshi. Good morning, Sanjeev. I think market has been quite well poised for this election outcome, which is likely to be the exit polls are on 30th November. And the entire built-up in volatility is with that respect. Global market seems to be pretty settled because commodity prices, if you look at international commodity prices, they are quite a range-bound kind of activities happening out there. With a slight uptick in demand in the industrial and base metals was seen last week. Other than that, I mean, QT has done its job, and all the central bankers, the aspiration to rein in the inflation is already taken into account. Earnings have been very good, be it US or Indian market, both have been doing pretty well. Just a margin of safety point of view, I think the positioning has to be in defense, railway, and power stocks. So these are the three sectors which gives quite a good margin of safety going into the election outcome. And in this space, I think in the defense space, Hindustan Aeronautics (HAL), which I have been repeatedly recommending on your channel as well, is still a good value buy. Even if there is a slight correction, one should be looking into it. Order book is now 73,000 odd crores with recent order falling into their lap. At the same time, management has guided for 10 to 12% kind of a top line growth with 20 to 22% kind of an operating margin. So that augurs well. ROE 27-28 and forward P multiple of 19-20 is sweetly poised. I mean, it's the least expensive stock in the defense. So that is what we have been recommending our client to accumulate. And from the railway, RVNL looks pretty good. Though the valuations are fairly priced, but I don't think even if there is a change in the regime in the center in Lok Sabha election of 24, there won't be any major policy shift which can hamper defense and railway policy which has already been set in. So these are the two sectors which we are looking forward to. Overall, I think the flows will turn positive for India as well. And we have a lot of catch up to do. If you look at year-to-date performance, US, Japan, Seoul, Brazil, France, Germany, all have outperformed India. We are the lowest in that hierarchy as far as annualized performance on the index is concerned. And we are the ones who have delivered the most and the best earnings. So I think that catch up will be there post this thing is out of the way, that is the election outcome results. So fairly poised, and even if there is a correction post that, we would be buying into that, and the sectors are the same. It would be defense, railway, power to begin with.